Hello, hello. Hi there. Well, I thought it was time for another unboxing because my doTERRA box, my gorgeous purple box, arrived on Thursday. It arrived on Thursday. And I've got so many goodies in here that I thought, shit, I've got to show you guys what I've got here. So much good stuff. All right, so I used a lot of my points. I had a nice big fat stash of LRP points that I'd saved up, so I decided to use them on some incentives that I'm going to do for giveaways and use them for my team and stuff like that. So I bought quite a few things for free, $0 using my points, which is just so ace. One of them being the yoga collection. So this was a US order that I did. I do a US order every couple of months to stock up on all my supplements because there are some things that you just can't get from the Aussie warehouse yet, which is a bit of a bugger, but that's okay. Every couple of months I'll just place an order from the US and stockpile them. So I got the yoga collection for free using my LRP points. So this is what? 60 PB points, so free. And this is amazing, this trio of oils, which was designed by Elena Brower. She is a very well-known yoga teacher across the world. They are epic. They are like combinations you would never have dreamed of putting together, but Jesus, they work so well. They are stunning. Anyway, so that's a giveaway on my Facebook page this week. I had been hearing some really great reports about doTERRA's Slim and Sassy Metabolic soft gels here. Now, I use the oil blend in my own veggie capsules and in my water bottle pretty much daily. I love it. But I thought, you know, I've never actually tried the soft gels, and I like to know all of doTERRA's products. If I'm going to speak and teach about them, I need to try them myself, right? So I got these guys, super convenient. If you're not somebody that likes the taste of the Smart and Sassy Metabolic Blend in your water, then you're probably going to be somebody that goes for the soft gels instead because they're just super convenient to pop. So this is a combination of cinnamon, grapefruit, lemon, peppermint, ginger, essential oils. So all of those essential oils are designed to balance and support your blood sugar levels. If you're somebody that's prone to sugar cravings, then the Smart and Sassy blend is like the bee's knees for you. It's going to stop those 3 p.m. sugar cravings coming on in hard and fast. But it's also just going to look after your metabolism and make sure that it's firing quickly and that you're burning as much fuel in your body as you can, specifically fat, which is what we all want to burn more of, okay? So that's the doTERRA Metabolic Blend Soft Gels. I got my OnGuard laundry detergent because this rocks. It's hot, it's super concentrated, so you only need this teeny tiny little capful for a load. It lasts a long time and it makes everything smell like Christmas. Hey, yay! And it's also chemical free, low tox, etc. So really great option there. I'd all run out of my fractionated coconut oil. Oops. So I got another couple of bottles of these for free. I used my points for these as well. Now you can get fractionated coconut oil from health food shops and from your local Woolies, etc. now in bigger bottles for sure, and it's actually cheaper than what doTERRA offer. But the quality, when I have tried these supermarket brands, it's really still quite greasy. It tends to sit on top of my skin versus doTERRA's, it absorbs like that. It's like silk, it glides onto your skin and absorbs super quickly. And that's because doTERRA have designed the molecular structure of their fractionated coconut oil to absorb really quickly. What else did I get? I got the Deep Blue Polyphenol Complex. This is incredible. If you're somebody that suffers from chronic pain conditions of any sort, you need this. You need this in doTERRA's Lifelong Vitality Supplement Pack, okay? The supplement pack is a whole other video for itself. I can't dive into that today. It'll end up being a bloody hour-long video. But this is an anti-inflammatory powerhouse. I've had so many fantastic testimonials from customers who are using it to manage conditions such as arthritis, for example, fibromyalgia, and any other muscular and skeletal pain that they're experiencing. It's amazing. So to give you a rundown, it's got a whole lot of frankincense extract in here, which we know is super anti-inflammatory, along with ginger. We've got turmeric root in here, green tea, pomegranate extract, grapeseed extract, which is really, really high in polyphenols, and also resveratrol. So all of those are really high in antioxidants and super anti-inflammatory. And then you've also got doTERRA's Tummy Taming Essential Oil Blend in here as well. If you're somebody that experiences or tends to experience an upset tummy when you take supplements, you won't with these, because it's got the digestive blend of essential oils in it, which include ginger, peppermint, and caraway seed extract. So all very calming and soothing to the digestive tract. Highly recommend, guys. Next is lemon. What is life without lemon? Really, it does all my things. It does all the things. Cleaning, DIY bench sprays. I use it in my water bottle, obviously. I rub it over my liver to support detoxification. I use it in my aromatic dressing when I'm dry body brushing. What else does it do? Oh, I put it in my moisturizer when I think I'm lacking in a little bit of brightness and clarity in my skin. Yeah. Lemon, dirt cheap. What is it, like 15 PV or $12? Sorry, 12 PV and $15. I will easily go through a whole bottle of lemon every month without fail. The Zenda Complex. Okay, another supplement that we can't get in Australia here, but I love to order from the US to support my liver and kidney health, particularly after Christmas and the New Year period, and probably also Australia Day now. Everyone's been on the piss and they need to give their livers some looking after. This is an awesome supplement. It's full of good things like dandelion root, milk thistle, barberry, lots of seaweeds, and all other good things that nourish and support our kidneys and liver and help the detoxification process. I've tried a lot of liver supplements over the years, and I swear by this. I think it's brilliant, and I think the quality of the ingredients in here is second to none. So yeah, really good thumbs up from me for this. And I'll take this daily for a month, and I'll do it like a month on, month off. I don't take it all the time, just when I know that my body needs some extra support and I'm feeling a bit sluggish or my digestion has slowed down, anything of that nature. OnGuard Plus. These are incredible. I'm going to say that about all the products, but these are incredible. This isn't just OnGuard in a soft gel. Oh no, no. This has Melissa black pepper, and oregano in here as well. So 3 oils that aren't in the OnGuard blend are in these guys. Now, Melissa is probably it is the most expensive oil that doTERRA have available at the moment. Retails for over $300, and that's because the yield of Melissa is so small. It takes 7 tons of plant matter to produce just 1 kilogram of the essential oil. It's crazy, right? So that's why it's got such a high price tag just for a 5 ml bottle. Anyway, Melissa is an antiviral powerhouse. It's one of the most supercharged remedies that we have at our hands in case of crisis. Any kind of virus, Melissa will go after. There's nothing that it can't do, and it's also found to be incredibly beneficial for mood support and mood management. Emotionally, it's the oil of light, so it helps bring us out of the depths when we're really struggling in the mud. It'll pull us up and give us the strength to carry on. So that's something to keep in mind as well. When I know there's a flu or some kind of bug lurking around and everybody seems to be falling like flies around me, I pop these guys like there's no tomorrow, and I will not get sick. No sickness for me, because I've got these guys. The Serenity Complex, again, I got these for free with my points. Hey, yay! And this came with the Serenity, the Serenity Essential Oil Blend as well. So these come as a pack. It's called the Restful Complex pack, I think. And anyway, both of these are free, points, huzzah. These are incredible. If you're somebody that is suffering from insomnia, your hours, your circadian rhythm is kind of fucked up, you need these. You need this combination together because it will help your body to reset and get your sleep hours back to normal. These guys have a combination of, it's got lavender essential oil in there for a start, and then L-theanine, which is it's a component of green tea, basically, but it's been found to have a really positive and beneficial effect on our brain waves, and it produces more of the calming and sleep-inducing brain waves. So that has a really profound effect on our biochemistry as we're trying to fall asleep. It'll help us to sleep better. And then you've got passion flower, lemon balm, which is melissa, and German chamomile plant extracts in there, all super calming for the nervous system, brings us down a notch, takes our energy levels down, and puts us at ease and ready for sleep. Combine these soft gels 30 minutes before bed, guys, with the Serenity blend, either on the back of your neck on the occipital point, which is that little soft spongy point on the back of your head. That's the brainstem there, guys. And if we're looking to have a profound impact on our brain or nervous system, then that's a really great place to apply our essential oils topically, so it gets into the blood and the brain fast. Otherwise, you can also apply it to the soles of your feet, maybe a couple of drops on your pillow, or in the diffuser is the bee's knees. Next, I got Clary Sage. I was all out of Clary Sage, and I miss the aroma of this so much. It's such a gorgeous smell. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. And not just that, for all the mamas or to-be mamas who are approaching their full term, only full term, and you're ready to pop. And you want to speed up and make labour as smooth and quick as possible, then only at the time of labour will you use Clary Sage, not before, because it stimulates uterine contractions, which is obviously not something that you want happening when you're still not at full term. But for labour, it's indispensable. It can make things happen a lot quicker and help you get through it all with less stress and less pain. So it's fantastic for hormones in general. Not just that, I love to combine it with sandalwood, lavender and wild orange for what I call the Zen Mind Blend. It's by Dr. Danielle. And it's been shown in a couple of studies to have a really profound effect on the brain when we're trying to study without any form of anxiety creeping in. So it creates calm, steady focus. That's Clary Sage. Then I got Clary Calm as well, because what woman doesn't need this? All of womankind need this bottle right here. If you have hormones that are all out of whack, your cycle is totally screwed, or it just appears when it's not welcome, whatever it might be, you have really bad PMS, you need Clary Calm, and you need to use it daily. Essential oils are all about consistency, and if you want to affect a positive change and bring your cycles back into balance, then Clary Calm daily applied over the abdomen is going to do you so much good. You'll notice such a significant change in your cycles and how they feel to you. You will be astonished. All right, so womankind, get on Clary Calm. Next, well, I got frankincense for free, yay, and I also actually got wild orange for free as well. That was the product of the month, and this was the 200 PV incentive for the month, so I did pretty well, didn't I? I got so many freebies. Oh, frankincense. Okay, Frankie boy, everything anti-inflammatory, everything pain relief, anything mood support. He combines really, really well with everything. He's an amplifier of any oil that he's paired with. So if you want to get the most out of any essential oil, you pair Frankie with it, and he will, he's just going to get more bang for buck out of that essential oil, basically. That's how he works. So he's also a driver of essential oils. So if you want to if you want an essential oil to penetrate the skin more quickly, or pass over to the blood-brain barrier more quickly, then you pair frankincense with him. Also, he's going to help you do all the things more efficiently. Again, pain management, I think I already mentioned that. Basically, he's part of my daily wellness protocol. I always take 2 drops of Frankie morning and night under my tongue. And that's for just all-round general nervous system and immune support. He keeps my brain healthy, and he keeps my autoimmune diseases under control. And I also use him in my skincare, so there isn't a day that goes by where I don't put frankincense in my moisturizer or my DIY skin serum to keep me looking glowing and youthful, not doing too bad. Definitely recommend. Wild orange, all things mood support. Oh, FYI, wild orange and frankincense in the diffuser, it is bliss. It is absolute heaven. Try it, use it, love it. And last, the only other oil that I got was basil. So basil, amazing in pesto. Okay, if you don't have any fresh basil on hand, but you happen to have a whole lot of greens like spinach or kale, then you can still make pesto with your greens and then make it basil flavored with your basil essential oil. Super great tip. Not just that though, basil is a bit of an unknown analgesic powerhouse. He is excellent for all things pain. If you have a headache or a migraine, basil is actually a really good option. Basil and frankincense applied to the base of the neck, to the occipital point again, also across your forehead or through your hairline, because we do have some big blood vessels going back through here. You will experience some really profound relief with basil, so don't neglect him. Get to know him a little bit better. He's a wonderful chap. I also got a whole bundle of these keychains, which hold 8 little sample vials there. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. So I'm going to be gifting these to people who are doing juice cleansers with My Goodness Organics, which is our other business. So all of our juice cleansers are going to receive some detoxification support oils from here on in, which I think they're really going to love. And then last, this is what's going to come with every single starter kit. It's already coming with all the US starter kits. It's yet to be introduced to Australians. It's coming. It's definitely coming, but we've just got to wait a little bit longer. Probably after convention, which is in March, where we see the release of this. But this is the starter kit Bible that is going to introduce everybody to their first experience of essential oils. It's awesome, guys. So it starts with what is an essential oil, responsible sourcing, co-impact sourcing, all the testing that doTERRA do that make their oils so special and a gazillion times better than any of the others out in the market. Safe application, how to dilute your essential oils, it's all in here. How cool is that? And then it goes through a listing of every single essential oil that doTERRA offer. All the blends are in here as well. You've got your sticker book here, which is so cool. How is that? I love it. And then you've got all of your, all of the blends, emotion blends, all the wellness products as well. Supplements are in here, all the OnGuard range. So it shows everything that doTERRA do all in one beautiful book. That's going to be such a massive support for all the newbies that are coming on board. I can't wait for you guys to get this. You're going to love it. So yeah, I think that's about it. over and out from me. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. Yeah, if you've got any oily questions, hit me up. Have a great day. See you later.